What if I told you there's a financial revolution happening right now? A revolution so powerful, it could completely change how we think about money, savings, and even how we secure our future. But here's the big question: is Bitcoin truly safe for the future? Well, you're about to find out. Stick with me for the next 5 minutes, and we'll break down everything you need to know. But beware, after you hear this, you might rethink your entire approach to investing. Bitcoin. It's been around for over a decade, and yet many people still see it as an enigma. A speculative asset, a risky investment, or just a crazy idea. But here's the truth: Bitcoin has proven itself. It survived massive market crashes, regulatory chaos, and global economic instability. Why? Because it's built on something revolutionary. Bitcoin is decentralized. This means there's no central authority, no government, no banker pulling the strings. It operates on a blockchain, a transparent and secure digital ledger that no one can manipulate. You know what that means. No one can control it. Not a government, not a corporation. And that's why Bitcoin has become a safe haven for many during times of financial turmoil. When the world feels like it's crumbling, Bitcoin has stood strong as a beacon of independence. Now, you might be thinking, but wait, if it's so great, why isn't everyone investing? The plot thickens. Stick with me, we're just getting started. Here's another jaw-dropping reason why Bitcoin is gaining momentum: it's scarce. Bitcoin's supply is capped at 21 million. That's it. No more will ever be created. And do you know what happens when something is scarce? Its value skyrockets. People want it, and they want it bad. And here's the kicker: Bitcoin is not only a store of value, but it's a hedge against inflation. Unlike traditional currencies that governments can print at will, Bitcoin's supply is fixed. And when the dollar weakens or inflation spikes, Bitcoin's value tends to go up. For those who fear the devaluation of fiat currencies, Bitcoin offers an opportunity to protect and even grow wealth. But that's not all. Bitcoin is becoming more and more accepted by big-name institutions. Tesla, MicroStrategy, PayPal, companies you trust, are now embracing Bitcoin, not just as a speculative asset, but as a legitimate part of their financial strategy. This is a vote of confidence in Bitcoin's future. It's no longer just a crazy idea, it's becoming part of the fabric of modern finance. But here's the catch: it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: Bitcoin's extreme volatility. You've probably heard horror stories of people losing huge amounts of money in a matter of hours. And let's face it, Bitcoin's price is like a roller coaster. It can be thrilling, yes, but also terrifying. Bitcoin's price can plunge at any moment due to regulatory crackdowns or market sentiment swings. It's like a high-stakes game of poker where the rules are still being written. But here's the thing: while volatility can be a risk, it's also the very thing that creates massive opportunities. The key to navigating this volatile market? Diversification. Bitcoin should only be a part of your portfolio, not the whole thing. Oh, and did I mention the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining? That's another risk. The energy consumption is massive, and sustainability is a growing concern. If Bitcoin is going to be part of the future, these issues will need to be addressed. So, will Bitcoin survive? Will it thrive? Or will it crash and burn? Only time will tell. But before we dive into those final thoughts, here's a little question for you. Do you think Bitcoin will be around in 10 years? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. So, is Bitcoin safe for the future? Here's the truth: it has massive potential, but like any investment, it comes with its risks. Bitcoin has proven itself as a hedge against inflation, it's decentralized, and it's growing in adoption. But remember, it's volatile, and it's still in its infancy. If you're serious about securing your financial future, Bitcoin could be a powerful tool in your arsenal, but approach it with caution. Only invest what you're willing to lose, and always diversify your portfolio. But this is just the beginning of the journey. If you want to learn more about building a secure financial future, I've got a video right here on how to diversify your investments for maximum growth. Don't miss it. The future of your wealth might just depend on it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.